Hi there, this is Chuck with Blaze. We are talking with Beth Salter. She's the seller of the house on Crown Street. And I just wanted to ask her a few questions. How did you hear about us, Beth?
Through Charlie.
Through a friend?
Yeah.
Referral?
Yeah.
What do you say was the most challenging thing in selling your house?
It was a relief for me because I wasn't really able to be by myself. So I think, that was the most.
And it needed a lot of work, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
How did you feel after the closing?
Good. It was a relief.
Really?
Get it all on my shoulders.
A weight off your shoulders.
Yeah.
Okay. What was your vacation like after you got paid from the sale?
Very good.
Where'd you go?
It's called Florida. I was with my family, my sisters and my brother, one of my brothers. So we had a good time.
Okay.
It was a nice time.
All right. Great.
All
Awesome.
right, thank you, Beth.
You will.